A burnt-out license plate bulb is a safety issue and can lead to legal trouble. This video demonstrates how to replace the bulb on a 2015-2021 Ford Edge. Replacing the bulb yourself is a simple way to save money and ensure your vehicle is compliant. We'll show you everything you need to know. For this repair, you'll need a few basic tools and parts. Start with a flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool to access the housing without damage. Wear gloves to protect both yourself and the vehicle's components from fingerprints and scratches. For the replacement bulbs, you'll need either 168 or 194 type incandescent bulbs, which typically cost $5 to $10. These are the standard types used in the 2015 through 2021 Ford Edge license plate lights. However, LED replacements are strongly recommended for much longer life and better reliability. Incandescent bulbs typically fail after 1 to 2 years, while LEDs can last 10 to 15 years. Make sure to purchase the correct bulb type that matches your vehicle's specifications. Open the trunk of your Ford Edge. Locate the rectangular plastic housings behind the license plate. These are the license plate light housings. Ensure the vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged before proceeding. Working inside the trunk protects the housing during removal. Using your flathead screwdriver or trim removal tool, gently pry the housing outward. The housing is held in place by retaining clips. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could break the housing. In some cases, you may need to twist the housing slightly. With the housing removed, locate the bulb socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise to detach it from the housing. Once detached, gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Avoid twisting to prevent damage. Take your new bulb and insert it straight into the socket. Ensure it is firmly seated for proper electrical contact. If using an LED replacement bulb, make sure it is oriented correctly in the socket for proper function. Begin by reattaching the bulb socket to the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely in place. Next, snap the housing back into place on the vehicle. Ensure it clicks firmly and is aligned properly. Now, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb. The license plate light should illuminate brightly. If the bulb doesn't light up, double-check the bulb's connection and make sure it's oriented correctly in the socket. If the new bulb doesn't work, check for corrosion in the socket. Corrosion can prevent proper electrical contact and cause bulbs to fail. Clean the contacts if necessary. Use a soft cloth or contact cleaner to remove corrosion and ensure good electrical connection. Ensure the bulb is the correct type and voltage. Common types for license plate lights include 168 or 194 bulbs. Check compatibility with your vehicle's specifications. If you're using an LED bulb, make sure it's compatible with your vehicle's electrical system. LEDs require specific voltage and polarity to function properly. Consider aftermarket LED upgrades for improved lifespan. LEDs last much longer than traditional bulbs and use less energy. Replacing your Ford Edge's license plate bulb is a simple task that can save you time and money. The process takes only 10 to 15 minutes and costs just $5 to $10 for replacement bulbs. Regular checks of your vehicle's lights ensure road safety and compliance. Inspect bulbs monthly or before long trips, as failures can trigger dashboard warnings. Consider replacing both bulbs at the same time to ensure consistent brightness and longevity. This prevents uneven lighting that could confuse other drivers. Upgrading to LEDs offers a significant advantage in terms of lifespan and efficiency. LEDs last 10 to 15 years compared to 1 to 2 years for incandescents, use 70% less power, and provide better visibility. In summary, maintaining your Ford Edge's license plate lights is essential for safety and efficiency. Regular inspections and LED upgrades can save you time and money in the long run.